In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently shop on Shopee using their user-friendly dashboard. Shopping online can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, but with a few simple steps, you'll be adding your favorite items to your cart in no time. Let's dive into the process. Firstly, you'll want to make your way to the Shopee dashboard. Once you're on the homepage, the first thing you'll notice is a handy search bar positioned prominently at the top. This is your gateway to a wide variety of products available on the platform. Simply click on the search bar and get ready to type in the item you're looking to purchase. For instance, if you're interested in buying a t-shirt, just type t-shirt and press enter. This action will lead you to a selection of t-shirts offered by different sellers. Now, browse through the options and select the shirt that catches your eye by clicking on it. This will take you to the product details page where you can learn more about the item. If the t-shirt you've chosen comes in various styles, sizes, or colors, this is where you can customize your choice. Make sure to select the specific variant, whether it's the color you prefer, the size that fits you best, or even the quantity if you want more than one piece. Once you've made these selections, go ahead and click the Add to Cart button. This step ensures that your choices are saved and ready for purchase when you are. Next, you'll want to navigate to your cart, which is located at the top right of the screen, symbolized by a small shopping cart icon. Inside your cart, you'll see a list of the items you've added. To proceed, click the checkbox next to the item you're interested in purchasing. This marks it for checkout. Afterward, click the Checkout button, which will guide you to the Payment Details page. On this page, you'll need to choose your preferred payment method, and this is done by locating the word Change next to the Payment Method section. Click on it, and a list of available payment methods will be displayed. You typically have the option to select between a payment center or e-wallet services. If you prefer using a card, select the credit or debit card option. And there you have it. From here, you just need to follow through with the on-screen prompts to complete your payment securely. Shopping with Shopee can be a seamless experience once you're familiar with these steps. I'm sure you'll find it a straightforward process to get the items you love delivered right to your doorstep. Happy shopping!